Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to fix WhatsApp contact name not showing on your iPhone. Now, if you want to fix WhatsApp contact name not showing on your iPhone, but you don't know how to fix it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to find about it. So let's begin with the video. Now, to fix WhatsApp contact name not showing, you need to simply connect to a Wi-Fi or mobile data on your device, and after that you need to open WhatsApp. If you are not being able to see someone's contact name on WhatsApp and so on, then you need to go back to settings on your iPhone and you need to click on the option of general. So after that you'll see the option of iPhone storage, so click on it. So this is the place where you'll see all of your iPhone storage being held. You need to scroll down and click on the option of WhatsApp. So click on the option of WhatsApp and you need to click on the option of offload app. So by offloading the app, it will help you to free up some storage used by the app and also helps you to fix the box or error which is happening on WhatsApp. So click on the option of offload, but after doing that you need to simply reinstall the app, use it again. So reinstall the app, the contact name is being shown or not. So if it helps, that's good. If it doesn't, you need to simply reinstall the WhatsApp app and uninstall the WhatsApp app and reinstall it again. So after doing that, it will be able to display the contact name which was not being sold before. So if that helps, that's good. If that doesn't help, you need to simply long press on the power button and volume up button at the same time, and you need to simply restart your iPhone. That's it. That's how you can fix WhatsApp contact name not showing on your iPhone. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.